answer my questions. This is what it looks like. I'm doing, look at this, deep parting. You can do deep side parts, deep middle parts. It's just natural. You can do a lot of stuff, you know what I'm saying? And it came pre-bleached. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and put this on. So let's get to it. Okay guys, I'm finally finished. I went ahead and put my lashes on. I went ahead and put my clothes on. It made sense for me to come back, and then I was gonna be like, yeah, I gotta put my clothes on. So I went ahead and put my clothes on, all that stuff. If this looks white on camera, I promise to you it's not white in real life. It's just, you know, a lot of lights and all that. Like when I move this light, maybe it still is white, I don't know, but I need all my lights, y'all. I done ordered a third ring light, honey. Like I said, brightness over here. But anyways, you guys, you made it to the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. If y'all want me to do more Q&As, like a part 2, get ready to me or something, let me know, because I still feel like y'all don't know me enough. Like I just want to sit down and make a whole video about like getting to know me. I think I might do that, but I don't want it to be boring, because I like when I start talking, I just keep going. But anyways, this is the hair. This is Premier Lace hair. Where's the box? Oh, here's the box. The box is right here. Make sure you check them out and link down below. For some Yaki straight hair, this is the hair that I think I've been looking for, because it just look bone straight. The regular hair, it don't look like that, you know what I'm saying? This hair is bomb. But anyways, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the red subscribe button if you want to. I'm not gonna force you, but we're on the road to 150K, so if you want to be on that journey and help me, let's get it popping.